Hi, my name is Katie. I'm a museum educator and volunteer coordinator at the Hastings Museum. In today's Museum Minute, we are going to make milk fireworks. To do this project, you will need cotton balls, food dye, a container or bowl, milk, and dish soap. The first thing we're going to do is pour the milk into our container so it's about a ½ inch full. The bigger the container you're using, the more fireworks you're going to be able to create. Next, you're going to want to add your food dye to the milk. The more colors you use and the more spread out they are, the bigger and cooler your fireworks are going to be. For the next part, you need a dab of dish soap. Adults, sometimes it's easier if you put the soap on the cotton ball for the kids. And you're going to add that into your milk. And then you have your fireworks. Basically, the fat in the milk is reacting with the soap, and we can see this reaction because of the food dye. The soap attracts the fat particles in the milk, and they form a strong bond. A bond so strong that the food color and the water in the milk gets pulled away from those fat particles. The pulling away is the swirling we're seeing with our fireworks. How cool is that? For more online nebula content and other educational resources, follow us on social media or visit the website at hastingsmuseum.org. Thanks for watching.